Meaning of Henry James.
Henry James.
Henry James.
Henry James.
Henry James. Henry James was an American author known for his literary works, including novels, novellas, and short stories. He was born in 1843 and died in 1916. James is considered one of the greatest writers in the English language, known for his complex characters and intricate plots. His works often explore themes such as class, gender, and social roles. He was a prolific writer, publishing over 20 novels throughout his career. Today, his works remain popular and continue to be studied for their contributions to literature. Overall, Henry James was a highly influential figure in American and British literature during the late 19th and early 20th centuries.